Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? You know, for COVID-19, our education system are almost breakdown. So we are taking online class to connect the students with the studies. As the part of our online class, today I am going to discuss about changing sentences. Have you remembered? In our previous classes we have learned decrease from comparative to positive, superlative to positive, positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, or superlative to comparative. It is also the part of transformative sentence. Today we are going to learn according to the meaning. We know according to the meaning there are 5 kinds of sentences. Here assertive, interrogative, imperative, objective and exclamatory. Transformation of sentence means transfer a sentence from one type of another type without changing its meaning. And assertive sentence, we know assertive sentence are 2 types. One is affirmative and another is negative. Today we are going to learn how to change the affirmative sentence from affirmative from negative. Today we will try to understand what I said. If you understand my speech or the rules, you will be able to transfer the sentence easily. No need to memorize anything. Just try to understand and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Dear students, look at the board. Here I have written some rules. You will remember, rules is not main. Main is the meaning of the sentence. You have to correct the meaning of the sentence. Where if we change the rules and the sentence do not express the correct meaning, we don't follow the rules. Main rules is meaning. Then we will try to learn how to change it. Here I have written some rules. First, I have written here only. If you found only in affirmative sentence, you will change this word only. Instead of only, you may use none but, nothing but, not more than, or not less than. When you use none but, if only indicates the person. I, we, he, she, Ram, Sham, Jodu, any name, you will turn this only into none but. If only indicates the material things, pen, bed, any kind of material things, you will turn only into nothing but. And if only indicates any number or age, we will turn it into not more than or not less than. Here I have written some sentences. Follow this. First sentence, only Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. Here I have found the word only. It indicates Allah. So we will turn this word into none but. Here I have written none but. Allah can help us. Because our time is limited, so I don't write it, just I have make you understand that Here Allah means I have written only two commas here to indicate the upper words. I have changed only here, only, just only turn into number, and the whole sentence will exactly what it was. Second sentence, the child has only few toys. Here I have found here only indicates the toys. It's materials, toys. So we have turned this word into what? Nothing but. Okay, the child has nothing but a few toys. Just I have written here the word only. Here only, instead of only I have written here nothing but. Instead of only, nothing but. Another sentence, he is only 12. Only indicates the number 12. 12 means he is 12 years old. This is age. So we will turn this word into not more than. He is not more than 12. We have changed only the word only. Here I have written three examples for these roles. None but, nothing but, not more than or not less than. You can write not more than or not less than. The same meaning. Have you understand the three roles? Only. No need to memorize anything. You will just try to practice and understand the roles. Here only. Instead of only we have written none but. Instead of only, here I have written nothing but. Instead of only, I have written here not more than. We can change three words for only, none but, nothing but, not more than or not less than. Another rules, must, has to, have to. If you found these words in affirmative sentences, you will change this word into cannot but or cannot help. Here, if you write cannot help, you have to remember that after the help, the verb, you make the verb non-finite. Normally, we make non-finite verb using ing with verbs or before to. Here, you have to add ing with the main verb. So, we will write this. It is easy. Then, that. So, you can, if you found must, has to, have to, you must change this word into cannot but. Here follow the rules. You must study hard. You must study hard to get a good result. To get a good result, if you want to get good result, you have to study hard. Here I have found the word must. Here, must. So, I will turn this word into cannot but. You cannot but. You cannot but study hard to get a good result. I don't write it because our time is limited. So you will remember, if you found must or has to, have to, you may turn this word into cannot but or cannot help. Here I have written cannot but. Cannot but. You cannot but study hard to get a good result. The meaning of the both sentences are same. The meaning of the both sentences are same. We know transfer of sentence means you have to transfer the sentence from one type to another without changing the meaning. Without changing the meaning. Another rules here from, if you found And before and after and, you have found noun or word. Two words connected with and. Or you may find before the word, you may find both and a noun and then noun. If you found this type of sentence, you will change this word. You will turn this word into not only but also. First, before the first word you will write not only, and instead of and you will write but also. Before the word of and you will write not only, and instead of and you will write but also. Here look at the board. Here he must obedient and gentle. Here I have found a word and. There are two words connected with and. Here obedient and gentle. Two words here connected with and. Here we may write instead of and, before the first word we will write not. Here look at the word not only. He was not only. This is our selected word. Only obedient. Obedient. But also, instead of and we have written here also gentle. Here again follow. Here he was obedient and gentle. We have written here before the word and obedient, we have written here not only, and instead of and we have written here but also. He was not only obedient but also gentle. You have to follow and try to understand the meaning and the rules. No need to more memorize. Here another rules I have written every plus noun. If you found a sentence where you have found every before the noun, you will use instead of every, you may use there may, there no. Sorry, there is no. Without auxiliary verb we do not use no. Instead of every we will use there is no, then we will write the noun and verb. Here follow the here you may find another sentence I have written both. If you make it negative, how will you do it? Here we have find both and. So instead of both we will write not only. Not only mount, but also Munna came here. Here students, follow these rules. We have written here, instead of both we have written not only, and instead of and we have written but also. This is the rules. If you practice this kind of word, you will be able to answer this type of questions easily. Here again we may discuss this, but our time is short, so we are going to next step. Here we know without instead of every we may write there is no but. So instead here we have found every, so we may write there is no. Then the noun, this is noun. There is no noun. This is noun but. There is no but. Loves her child. Here found the rules. If we find the every in a sentence, you may write, instead of every, you may write there is no, then noun, then but. There is no noun, but. This is the rules. Every plus noun. There is no noun, but. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. The meaning of this sentence is same. Here another sentence. Here I would like to show here again. Here look at this. As soon as. If you found any sentence as soon as, you will write instead of as soon as, you will write no sooner had. We know after have verb, the main verb turn into the past participle form. The main verb used in past participle form. So I have written here subject plus past participle form of verb. Past participle form of verb. As soon as, instead of and as soon as, we will write no sooner had, then subject plus past form of verb. Here the example. Follow the example here. Here the example. As soon as. As soon as I found in this sentence. This is affirmative sentence. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. If we make it negative, we will write first no sooner had. No sooner had. Then the subject of the verb sentence, the thief. Here the past form of verb saw, we will turn into past participle, see. Here as soon as, no sooner had, and the past participle of main verb. No sooner had, as soon as turn into no sooner had, then the subject and the past participle of the main verb. Police, he ran away. Here, you understand? As soon as instead of and as soon as we have written no sooner had, and subject, the verb of the sentences will turn into past participle. See, saw, see. The police, and no word will be changed, any change. Without this, all the rest of the sentence will be exactly as it in the sentence. Another rules you may say as dot dot as. I mean here we will be used a word. It may be adjective or other things. As dot dot as. Here follow the sentence. Here he is as tall as his father. He is as tall as his father. Here as tall as. We found this word before this word as, and after this word as. Instead of as, we will write here he is not less or more. You may write less or more. Both are correct. He is not less tall or more tall than his father. Here look at, for this as we have written not less, not less or not more. Instead of second as we have written here than. First as not more than, not more or not less, and second as than. He is not less than his father. He is not less tall than his father. This word before and after. Before the word we have written not less, after the word we have written than. What kind of part of speech? No need to think much about it. Here another rules. Sometimes. If we find sometimes in affirmative sentence, we may write instead of sometimes, we may write not always. Not always. Here another sentence. Look at the board. Refer, visit. Refer sometimes, visit me. Refer sometimes, visit me. Here I found sometimes. Here we may write refer, not always. Visit me. That is turned into negative. Here another sentence. Always. If we find any word, always, we may write instead of always, we may write never. Then opposite word. Then opposite word. Here I found always. Speak the truth. Here the opposite word of truth will be lie. Negative form. Never. Tell a lie. There are some words which use after some words which is adjusted. Here always speak the truth, but it is never follows the tell. It is more use word with never tell a lie. Truth, opposite word lie. Here more rules in this part, as our time is limited, short, so we have discussed it in short way. I think you have understand the rules and the examples. I hope if you practice at home this sentence, with the help of your book, you will be understand to change these sentences. Thank you very much for today. Stay home, stay safe.